Hello everyone, this is Jem from the Other Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 16th of December afternoon analysis. Alright, just 1 hour ago we have received the rate decision of European Central Bank. As expected, they haven't risen the interest rates. So what happened? They just said the risk of Omicron variant and COVID-related risk are still with us, so we don't increase the rates. We just keep it stable, but demand on consumption is just coming back so fast than planned. That's why we are just slowing down our quantitative easing. That is important. Just like US, Europe as well, European Central Bank as well, just slowing down some tapering, some quantitative easing, and some sort of tapering has started in European Union. But still, they just said that in 2022 we don't expect any rate rise, so interest rates in European area will be will stay stable. All right. Another news that's important: Bank of England has raised the interest rates, not so much, but still it has risen, and from 0.1 to 0.25 they have risen as a response to inflation data recently published, to record inflation data on the recent years. So they said, all right, right now the market is overheating, so we have to take measurements, and then they have done this as a response. All right, this was the news. We will just go ahead with our charts. First of all, we will start with wheat. When the wheat prices trading at 850s around here, we were telling that this is not sustainable and it has to go lower levels, and slowly but surely it has declined. In 3 weeks it has lost $100 value, and the people listening us made a lot of money on sell positions. Right now it's like that. All right, from this point, and we expect just from this point, as you can see here, kind of rebound until to 800 levels can be seen, because the global warming is affecting all agricultural fields, and the threat is still with us. And winter crops in a lot of part of the world hasn't been harvested yet. That's why until we see that one, we will see some increase in that one. When we see a lot of winter harvest and then a spring harvest as well, then we will see a decline in food prices. That's a good thing, because nobody just take advantage on these rising prices. Yeah, on hedging precious metals and other things, but this is the basic food. This price of food inflation is just affecting the world so bad. That's why nobody wants this happen. I hope the prices will just go down more and more, and we see lower level of prices. All right, this was the first chart. As you can see here, it is just testing this level. 750 level is critical support line, so RSI as well confirming that price drop, so a rebound is mostly possible scenario right now in wheat. So when you just see the green candles, when you see the rebound, you can buy and then you can take profit on that one. All right, let's look at Bitcoin chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, Bitcoin is just trading flat as we have started this month. Probably we don't see not much change the coming days because everybody is just like getting into Christmas mood. We may see even more decline in cryptocurrency. It may test 41,000 levels on here, and from that point, it will be just a good point to get in, and from that point we may see another rebound, another all-the-time high try maybe. But right now, as long as we are under 50k, so there's still more drops will be seen in Bitcoin. That's why it's critical. So don't think that like on the recent days there is rather that almost it has ended right now. It's the good time to reverse, but in this case of scenario, and it doesn't seem so. Dollar index is just helping this one, just to fake rise this one. When we see stronger dollar index, we will see lower level of Bitcoin as well in coming days. Right now, dollar index is just softer, but not a long time. It will just go like that, and eventually, with the interest rate hikes, people just will realize that all right, it's coming closer, and each day, when we get closer to March, we will see higher levels of dollar index. All right, let's look at our last chart, GBP USD. All right, after rate hike of Bank of England, we have seen hike in GBP USD. So this was an expected scenario on the case of rate hike, but still it's not like performing so well and on RSI and also this resistance line. So if we just see that, a struggle on this resistance area, and with the gain of dollar index, we may see a good sell point on GBP USD. Please just follow the news, and when we see good news on dollar side, and when we see the rise of the dollar index, we will see decline of GBP. So GBP USD has made its move, and right now, if it cannot pass this resistance, if it cannot break this resistance, so it will be limited rise and not much rise, because interest rate hike in Bank of England by Bank of England, not much already. It's just like from 0.10 to 0.25. So but still something for this hike. At least it can explain the moves, because in the market right now there are a lot of uncertainty, and we see a lot of unexpected move. For example, a lot of people didn't expect dollar index to go lower levels today after a Fed meeting, after tapering. Everybody was expecting to go higher, but right now it's just behaving different. We will just see this one recover eventually. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.